going guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the no internet connection on Capcut. This is an easy fix. I mean, there's a couple of steps that you need to go through if you want to fix this problem, but in any case, let's dive right into the video. Now, as you can see, I have this problem because I'm editing my videos on this application. So I came across kind of like this issue a few times, and I had to try different options to fix my problem. But I think one of the main reasons why I had that problem, why I have this issue, is because I was using my I was editing my videos without internet connection, and then after I finished the videos, I was rendering the videos, and I was getting this message. So I was like, first of all, that was the main reason why I was getting this issue. Okay, no internet connection. Connect to the internet and try again. So obviously, guys, that's your internet connection. You need to activate. You need to have internet connection. You need to have. Okay, so what you gotta do right now is just swipe down and activate mobile data or Wi-Fi, whatever you want. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's see. I'll use mobile data. As you can see right now, when I tap on that icon, now it already works. Like that's the main reason. Like that's why you face a lot of problems. If you don't have a stable internet connection, then this issue might appear on the screen. This no internet connection alert will appear on your screen if you don't have a stable internet connection. So that's being said, guys, now let me show you a different way if this method didn't fix your problem. Another way you can, what you can do, another method is to go to app Capcut, and right here, and go to Capcut, but don't tab on it. Don't open the application. What you gotta do is long press on the application and tab on the eye, or let's say you're on iOS or under a different device or different version, or what you gotta do is just what you need to do is to go to the applications, look for the application or the apps, look for the apps, and now look for Capcut right here, tab on that. And another way, really great way to solve this issue is to go to storage, right here, and now clean data and clean cache. But before doing that, don't forget to save your templates, your videos, your data from Capcut. All right, yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'll click clean data and clean cache. This will solve the problem. This was actually first time I had that problem. I solved it by just connecting to the internet connection, and then after that I had that problem again, so I just cleaned the cache and the data. But if this is not working for you, if you still face the same problem, I recommend you guys to simply delete the app. Just long press on the application and just tap on remove. That's another great way. Just remove the app, uninstall the app, and reinstall the app again. Then go to the Play Store, to the Google, to the Play Store, the App Store, and just install the application all over again. This will probably solve the problem. And be sure, guys, to have a stable internet connection. That's surely a great, and it's really important to have a great internet connection, or just a stable internet connection. That's really important. So be sure you have a stable internet connection. I think that's it. I hope this video helped you and solved your problems. If you have any questions, drop your comment down below, and give a like, subscribe to this YouTube channel, please. Helps me a lot. And see you guys in the next video. Take care and see you in the next video.